Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the template of your Squarespace website. So what they've actually done is you can't officially change the template with their new update anymore. There's no direct option to change your template, but actually they've given you an alternative which makes your process even more straightforward and you can customize it to your need. So the template changing option isn't available here anymore. What you can do instead is go up right here and find the site styles option. From here you'll press on site styles, and now you can see this popping up at your right. Now from here you can change the theme of your website, you can change your font. It's giving you a lot of fonts over here. You can customize your font as well. You can change the theme of your colors from here. You can see the site style option generally gives you a lot of options that you can change and basically give a new niche look to your website, which is going to affect more than just a simple template. Here you can customize it to your exact need. You can see they've given you a lot of options to your choice. You can add buttons, forms, and these are generally all the options that the site style option gives you. So now that you can't actually change thumbnails as they've disabled that feature, you can actually change the look of your website still using the site styles option, which is, in my honest opinion, even better than changing the template yourself.